All right, so what is up, everybody? I'm going to show you exactly what we offer here. So like I said, first, what we offer is make sure, by the way, you check out this testimonial. He loved what we did to his business, systematizes all. With that being said, so your choice of funnel template. So what you would do is you would hop on a quick Zoom call with us. And what we would do here is we just go through our templates that we have right here. We have 2, 4, 6, 8. We have 8 different funnel templates that you can utilize. So right here is one of them. And they're ClickFunnels and Go High Level compatible. Here's another one. I'll just bring you through all these ones that we have. And now these are all have been proven to convert because like we said, we're currently running 12, 13 different ad accounts right now. Well, yeah, 13 different ad accounts right now. And so we know what works. Next, what we're also going to offer you is the credit repair plan of attack. And the credit repair plan of attack has all of the ads, has all the targeting, has all of the copies inside of it. So let's hop over there. So this is a couple of, these are the targetings that we have available for you guys. If you would like, if you guys need help with developing more targeting here, we explain it in the course, which we'll later go talk about. And we have the ads over here and the copies. All you can do is copy it right there and paste it. And now this entire credit repair plan of attack, it's beautiful the way it's laid out truly, because what you're able to do is you're able to take it from ideas to testing, and you're able to see really hone in on what really works. This has worked fantastic for us, really keeping track of what works and what doesn't work. Because if you're running ads and if you're spending a lot of money, you're going to have to keep track of everything that works. Otherwise, there's not a single person, not a single marketer that does not keep track of his ads. Pretty much what I'm trying to say. All right, next what we have is the 100 social media posts. Swing over here, and we have 100 different social media posts for you to post on your Facebook or your Instagram, just so that you can show that you're active on it, and so that just so you can show you're active on it and that you're legit, pretty much. You're the real deal is what you want to see. Okay. After that, what we have over here is how to create viral posts, because you can teach a man how to, you can give a man a fish, or you can teach a man a fish. That's so much better. That being said, what we have here is on here a little slideshow on how exactly you're going to create these viral posts. And excuse me for my allergies right now, but how to create viral posts right here. I might sound a little stuffy. Pretty simple. It takes you maybe 20 minutes to do, and you can truly learn a lot from that. Next, what we have is, hop over here, keep checking it, is the webinar that teaches you how to utilize all of these assets into one, and how to do 3 main things. How to get more referrals, because what I truly think is that 70% of your business should be referrals, the other 30% should be cold outreach. So my secret referral automation process. Number 2 is organic growth. So how to use your social media and transform it into a powerful lead trap that pretty much gets you more clients on demand without spending a single dollar ad spend. And 3 is when you truly want to start scaling, like dramatically scaling your business. And I'm gonna teach you how to put $5 in and get a pre-qualified scheduled and confirmed appointment every single time. So let's hop onto the actual membership, which you get access to. So like I said, this is the very beginning right here, where you download all your assets. So like on the right hand side over here, you have all the ads. Through here, you're gonna have, you want to go high level for 2 weeks for free, ClickFunnels for 2 weeks for free. Join our Facebook group. Definitely join our Facebook group, because if you have any questions whatsoever, answer right there. Either I or one of my teammates will answer you and help you out. Download the ads here. Google Drive link, where you can just download from a Google Drive. Download your 100 social media posts. Once again, Google Drive link, you just download from there. Schedule a team. I'll schedule a call with my team so you can choose your funnel and also put that into your ClickFunnels and Go High Level, because right now we don't have an exact way to transfer it into your Go High Level. The best way of doing that is literally just to schedule a call with my team, and you can choose the funnel that you like out of the 8 funnels that we showed you, and you can just implement right from there. Next, schedule a call with my team as a strategy session, because we always offer included a free strategy session just for you to help yourself out. Just if you have any questions, we can just help you out. Ooh, make sure I save that. I don't want to like lose what everything I have. All right, so next what we have over here, so that's the downloading assets. How to make viral social media posts right here. Once again, you click on the little slideshow, you get right to it. Credit repair plan attack, which I showed you before. Got back. And finally, the course. The course is an hour and 18 minutes. It's really straight to the point. It was an awesome webinar we did with a couple of buddies, and they really learned a lot from it. Matter of fact, one guy called me after 2 weeks of doing this, which was a 2 week challenge. After 2 weeks of doing this, he made $5,500. So obviously, it works. So that being said, guys, no fluff, very simple, straight to the point of how to get more referrals, how to do your organic marketing, how to do your paid ads to really drastically scale your business. That being said, guys, make sure you check it out. If you have any questions on the actual anything, you always click this little blue button down below. And when you hit that blue button, it transfer right to me and can ask you any questions you want. That being said, guys, truly take apart this. Right now, it's only $47. We're going to raise the price later. It's very big. This is a huge thing, and I guarantee you that will get you some great results. I guarantee you that you can get your next client just based upon using this. Thank you, guys, and I'll talk later.